Music. Activ8me, your rural internet solution? Let's explore this popular Australian provider specializing in connecting remote communities. Links to their plans and services are below. Activ8me offers NBN Sky Muster, Sky Muster Plus, fixed wireless, and even fibre to the premises for regional Australians. They've built a reputation for reliable internet where other providers struggle. Affordability and accessibility are key, ensuring even hard-to-reach areas stay connected. A highlight? Sky Muster and Sky Muster Plus satellite plans for areas without wired access. These cater to emails, browsing, and updates, with Sky Muster Plus offering unmetered data for these tasks. For fixed wireless and fiber users, unlimited data plans are perfect for high-usage households. No lock-in contracts and competitive pricing offer flexibility and peace of mind, alongside highly praised Australian-based customer support, crucial for those relying on stable connections. Professional satellite installation ensures a smooth start. While satellite internet has inherent latency limitations compared to other types, Activ8me delivers consistent performance for browsing, streaming, and communication. So, is Activ8me right for you? If you need dependable rural internet, it's worth a look. Check the description for plan details. Music.